Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to hide Bitmojis in Snapchat notifications. If you prefer to keep your notifications more discreet and want to remove Bitmojis from appearing in them, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It usually looks like a silhouette of a person. Tap on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Now in the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the gear icon. This is your gateway to the Snapchat settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Within the settings, scroll down until you find the notifications option. Tap on it to enter the notifications settings. In the notifications menu, look for the option labeled Bitmojis in notifications and tap on it. By disabling this option, you will hide Bitmojis from appearing in your Snapchat notifications. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Snapchat notifications remain more discreet without displaying Bitmojis. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.